Handyman website templates with Divi. We'll explore 3 distinct handyman website templates, 2 premium picks, and a fantastic free option. Each one is designed to enhance your online presence effectively. Let's get started. First up, let's navigate to the Divi marketplace. Here, you'll find a variety of handyman template websites. Let's dive into one and click on the live demo to get a closer look. This template offers a professional and clean layout, ideal for showcasing your handyman services with style and clarity. This particular website template is priced at $39. If this suits your needs, it's available for purchase. Next, we have the DCT website. Let's click on the demo package to experience the features this template has to offer. Notice the dynamic design, user-friendly interface, and customizable options, perfect for creating a unique handyman service site. This template is available for $35.99. It's a great choice if you're looking for affordability without sacrificing quality. Now let's explore a free option. Scroll down to find and click on the demo page. Despite being free, this template boasts essential features with an elegant design to help you launch your handyman site effortlessly. Let's go ahead and deploy this free template on WordPress. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Next, head over to your WordPress dashboard, hover on Pages, and click Add New Page. Click on Use Divi Builder and then choose a pre-made layout. Search for Handyman. You'll see the Handyman layout available, free with the Divi theme. Open the layout and click on Use this demo. Allow it a moment to load, and there you have it. You can now edit this Divi template using the Divi theme, and that's it.